So hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create two very easy space buns. One of my viewers recently asked me if I could do this, and there is already a video on the channel, but it was a long time ago that I did it, so I thought I'd do another one for you. So all you're going to need is a couple of bands, hair bands. These are the secret to my success. These little couple of these little clips. Get these from Primark, Home Bargains, and a brush and a bit of hairspray. So let's get into it. So to start with, I will give my hair a jolly good brush through. Absolutely love this brush. It's a wet and dry tangle teaser. Bit pricey, but it is fantastic on your hair. It sounds like it's tugging a bit, but it's not. It's just a really nice brush. You can use it on wet or dry hair. So to start with, what I'll do is comb everything back and split my hair in half. And just to try, I always get this side's always thicker than this side, so I think it's just how my hair naturally falls, but I'll just have a little play about at the back to make sure, pick up a bit more hair to make sure this one's the same thickness as the other. So then I'm going to do two bunches. Just make sure it's all nice and neat and tidy. And then you have to be careful where you position the bunch. Either you don't want it too far forward or too far back. And I don't do it too tight because I quite, well, I'll show you why in a minute. And then the other side, just be careful not to pick up any of the other bunch. And get the front, make sure the front's nice and neat and tidy. Right, so there we go. I know my hair is quite long, but obviously this will work on shorter hair as well. So there we have two nice cute little bunches. And so they're not too severe, I tend to just push them, bring them forward a little bit with just a comb with a little tail on it, and just sort of create a little bump, as it were, there. Same on this side. Right, that's that done. And then this is where I think it makes it a lot easier. I've used those hair donuts before and they can be quite fiddly, but with these clips it's much easier. So you just back comb a bit, just softly, don't put any spray or anything on it, just ruffle that side up a bit. This is just to create the illusion of thickness in your hair, fullness. And then, so very softly, just then turn that around a few times. And then you just gently spin it around as if you're doing a bun. And then clip it in place at the back. That's number one, and then number two. And again, just spin that around and clip it. And then I'll just neaten it up a little bit. And then I'll show you the back. Nice and secure at the back with the clips, doesn't move, and keeps them in place all day. And then just add a spritz of hairspray. And that's it, as simple as that. I never ever fail doing it this way. I use this instead of the donuts now because it's just so quick and easy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.